So finance, sort
Yes.
of the blood of what we do. It's what keeps people alive, and if they can buy things or they can't. Have you noticed, is it a challenge at the moment, or is it getting simpler for people to acquire finance to purchase?
It's a challenge.
Okay.
So our business, obviously, the three businesses, we trade a lot of property. We had, over the Christmas period, the biggest amount of finance fallovers we've ever had.
Wow. Okay. Causes, what do you think?
Banking regulations.
Okay.
Simple as that. I mean, obviously, from a ground level, we don't get too much in-depth insight into why these things are happening, but we see the flow-down effects.
Yeah.
So, I mean, all we can really say is do your homework at the front. So rather than buying a property you think you can afford, make sure you can afford it before you go do the shopping.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
And then that leaves everybody not disappointed.
Makes it a much simpler process. If you can get pre-approved for finance, you can negotiate better, you can pick what you want, you know that the contracts are going to go through, it's better for everyone.
Fantastic. If you have any questions, please make sure you comment on the video below. In the group, there will be a whole lot of conversation about this, hopefully. And please look up Tiger if you have any needs for things that are specific to what he's discussed. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to talk to you soon. And Tiger, we will hopefully talk to you very soon.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Mate.